Hello everyone, I'm Keely.
I'm Jeannie.
We're from Still with the Kiss. We have been very busy the past few months creating an exciting summer collection of modern and fashionable garments for crochet featuring our favorite Rowan Yarns. Although many of you are familiar with us from our legendary yarn shop, our company actually began as a design studio nearly 30 years ago. While our past design focus has been on knitted garments, our experience over the years working directly with consumers made it very clear and quite frustrating that there is a lack of equally exciting options for crochet. So, Jeannie and I, we decided to do something about it. Today, we are launching the Town and Country collection featuring crochet garments and accessories for warm weather wear. The pieces are presented in diametric color stories, vivid chromatic hues, and nature-inspired tones. We chose some of our favorite Rowan warm weather yarns for the collection, including creative linen, summer light 4-ply, cotton glacé, hand knit cotton, fine lace, and kid silk haze. The collection includes 7 pieces. Chevron. Simple chevron stripes combine with subtle shaping to form this colorful sundress with a stunning silhouette. Floret. Floral blocks connected with shifting mesh to create a form-fitting, flared design that can be worn as a dress or a tunic. Tunice, a textural tank worked in a simple Tunisian stitch, makes for a perfect summer shell to be worn alone or paired with our tangle overlay. Tangle, overlay mesh top with a self-buttoning high neck. Imagine 2 ways: a short crop top with a bell sleeve or a tunic with a cap sleeve. Pairs perfectly with the Tunis tank. Embrace, classic wrap cardigan featuring side vents, is an essential wardrobe piece for transitional wear. Panorama, diagonal edge wrap, blends multiple lace weight strands into shifting bands of color, accented with bold tasseled fringe. Vine, winding floral trellis creates an open work yoke top with a gently ridged bodice. In creating this collection, I have pulled from my in-depth knowledge of knitting technique and design. And Jeannie, the queen of crochet, she has a vast background in crochet. And together we merged our knowledge and experience to bring you this collection. A great deal of detail went into the design of these pieces. We put a great deal of attention to construction, shaping, fit, and naturally technique. We also focused on pattern presentation with attention to the clarity of wording, photo illustrations, and instructional detail. We are so excited about the collection and hope you are too. All of the patterns are available as downloads, or you can get the entire collection in a digital ebook. The designs are also offered as kits. Visit our website at swagknit.com/crochet. We are currently waiting on our samples to return from the photographer. They're still in Connecticut. They'll be back soon. As soon as they get here, we're going to give you an in-depth look at each design individually with a behind-the-scenes design scoop and so much more. So stay tuned. We just can't wait to tell you more about it.